E-Plan Review, iBuild plus Project Docs. Creating and managing applications. To start a building permit application in iBuild, click Start Application, then click Building Permit Application, or you can click the Start Building Permit Application button. Carefully read the Notice of Compliance. When you are done, click the I Agree button. Select the Search drop-down menu. You can select the type of search, by property address, by owner name, or by folio number. Then enter the address and select it from the list. Click the blue magnifying glass icon. Click the address from the Property Search Results section. It is important to know that a warning window appears if there are open code violations in this property. Click the Start New Application button. You must fill out and verify all the fields in the Job Location section. When you are done, click the Next button. You must select a role in the Applicant Role section. Owner Builder, Contractor, Dry Run, or Architect/Engineer. State and county laws require that you demonstrate to the building official that you have a complete understanding of your legal obligations under an owner-builder permit. To qualify for the permit, you will be required to pass a short examination consisting of multiple-choice questions relating to the topic and sign a disclosure. If the dry run option is selected, you must add the contractor or subcontractor later by clicking Manage Application, then add Change Contractor or Subcontractor for Permit. Then click the Next button. You must fill out all the fields in the owner information, tenant/lessee information, if applicable. Next, you will enter the qualifier license number in the contractor information section. Click the Search button. You will then select the contractor from the company field. Click the Next button. Select a category from the Job Category drop-down menu. The definitions will appear for the corresponding job category. Select a subcategory from the Job Subcategory drop-down menu. Then click the Next button. Select Residential or Commercial from the Current Property Type section. Then click the Next button. Now go ahead and select all the applicable trade items in the Job Description section. When you are done, click the Next button. Based on your selection, please enter all the information necessary and complete all fields in the Job Description Details section. Click the Next button. Enter the new addition cost and/or the remodeling cost or total cost in the fee summary section. Click the Next button to continue. In the Additional Options section, you can choose legalization if it is applicable. You can select if this application is for interior remodeling, exterior remodeling, or both. If this is a request for a capital construction project for the City of Miami, please indicate it in this section. If you select Yes, you must enter the city project number. You must also indicate if this project offers any affordable housing benefits. As you scroll down, you can indicate if you will be using a private provider for this project. For iBuild to check your Section 553.792 eligibility, please make your selection in the zoning use type, number of units, existing structural square footage, and addition structural square footage. Next, indicate if this application is for a cookie-cutter permit. Also indicate if this request is for a Community Development Block Grant Disaster Recovery Program. Click the Next button when you are done. You must review and add any additional information in the Data Summary section. If you need to make a change or update a specific section, You can click in the link for each section in the Application Process section, or press the Edit option on the right-hand side of each section. When you are done, click the Next button. Based on your selections in the Additional Options section, iBuild will present you with the Section 553.792 Waiver Election section. Here you can find a link to the summary of the permitting timeline changes as per House Bill 267 Section 553.792. Review and read the notice, where it states, "I understand that my permit application is governed by and subject to the requirements and limitation of Florida Statutes Section 553.792. I further acknowledge that my failure to timely submit corrections to my permit application, as described in Florida Statutes Section 553.792, subsection 1, paragraph F, shall lead to a denial of my application. A permit denial under these circumstances is final, which will necessitate recommencing the permitting process from the beginning, including payment of any associated fees. Under Florida law, you may elect to waive the timeliness described in Florida Statutes Section 553.792 by executing a waiver prior to the commencement of plan review. No waivers shall be accepted thereafter." Once you read it, please click on the box on the left-hand side. After that, you must select for either "Yes, I opt for the waiver" or "No, I decline the waiver." Then click the Next button. In the Plan Submittal Information section, you can review and add any additional information. Complete all the fields in the Primary Point of Contact section. Remember that a true and valid email and phone number are mandatory. Click the Next button to continue. Please review the upfront fees and estimated fees in the Fee Summary section. Please keep in mind that the estimated fees amount may vary depending on the type of application. These fees must be paid for the permit to be issued. Click the Finish button when you are done. A confirmation section will appear on the screen with the process number and the job address. Click the Download Form Now button to download the PDF application. Please note that the application must be signed by applicant and contractor if there is one selected. The Financial Transaction ID will be required to move forward with the permit application. Now you can click the Click Here to Pay Online Now button. You can keep track of your project in iBuild. You will be able to see the current application and plan status. From the menu bar, click Manage Application, then click on Search Process Number. Enter the process number, then click on the Search button. Review the information in the ePlan Review Results section. The plan status is displayed in the General tab. Thank you for watching.